is happening behind the camera. That's the Odua people and the people of Biafra asking for the same thing. Answer one person, the other gets one.
My name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel is...
Can we see your face a little bit, please? Thank you, sir.
I'm the coordinator of IPOB Paris. We are asking for the Republic of Biafra and nothing more.
Okay, sir. What is your name, sir?
Emmanuel Eze.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Sir.
My name is Prophet Okabu. That's my name. And I represent IPOB France.
Please, the full minute, sir.
Indigenous people of Biafra.
Thank you, sir.
France. And we're here today to let the zoo know that the Nigerian zoo is dead. There's nothing like one Nigeria. And we, with our brothers, we do the One Nation. We decided to come together, unite as brothers, because we are asking for one thing. Let us be independent and be free. We don't want Nigeria anymore.
What he's talking about is happening behind the camera, sir. Please let the people...
Without we knowing. And our elders at home, they are not even helping the matters. Our elders, all these ambassadors, there we go and take their own bribe. There we go and collect money from them without even considering the masses. We are here in France here. We are seeing how they are treating their citizens. They are happy being French people. Are you happy being in Nigeria? Are you happy being in Nigeria?
I'm not in Nigeria.
Having a Nigeria passport is like having a exhibit.
Yes.
You are having an exhibit with you.
Yes.
So we are calling. Let this contraction called Nigeria be the door and let them free the citizens. We are telling you, Mrs. Ambassador, the Biafra that will do work, we are here. So, thank you. Okay.
No more Nigeria.
Okay. Yeah, my sisters, please. Go to work.
No more Nigeria. Two from Odua State. Apart from the cameraman.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
IPOB! 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 One family!
So, as you can see, we are here today, like my brother has said. If they answer us, we have answered them. If they answer them, they have answered us. That's why we came together. Our leader, our supreme leader, Nnamdi Kanu, told us that we should make sure that we come together today to be in this front of Zoo Embassy to do whatever we can to let them know that we don't want them anymore because we are united now. It's no more that when they are making us to be enemies, we are no more enemies. So let people know it today that we, with Odudu One Nation, we are one.
Please, because of time.
All hail Biafra!
In front of the Nigerian embassy, as you can see, this is the Nigerian embassy at the back there.
Yes.
is Kevin Dennis, and I'm one of the members of the IPOB big family, because we are international family, and we are fighting for the freedom of Biafra, because we're live in that zoo called Nigeria. We are tired of the system, we are tired of the government, we are tired of everything. We want to live on our own.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm sorry for the distraction. That's the coordinator of Odua Progressive Union. Back to the main event we are here today. I want to ask you, please, we are here today because of one idea. Please, can you share with us your view on the self-determination of the people of Biafra? What is your idea about it? What are the pains you are feeling under the entity called Nigeria? Please, can you please share that with us?
The contraption called Nigeria, I want to make it clear to international community that Nigeria as a contraption is not a nation. It's a contraption. It's just a geographic experiment. And since 1965, we Biafrans have been killed day by day. During 67 to 70, Biafrans lost 5 million souls, 3 million adults and 2 million children under starvation, under what they tag Biafran war. But it's a
you have right to speak your dialect too.
Thank you.
So that they can understand you very well. Because pain are being well expressed by our mother tongue.
Anyị bụ ndị Igbo, egburu anyị 5 million n'oge agha nke ha kpọrọ agha Biafra. Mana ya kpọrọ ya genocide against Biafrans. N'ime agha egburu ọtụtụ ndị Igbo, ụmụaka 2 million ka ejidere ndụ ha naanị eyi n'ihi agụụ na kwashọkọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ahụ ebe ọbụla edebere foto ihe onyonyo eji egosi inyere Afrịka aka, mara amara na ụmụaka ị na-ahụ na foto ahụ bụ ndị Igbo, bụ ndị Biafra egburu n'oge Nigeria na Britain, bụ ndị na-akwado ha, nyere ha aka ịhụ na egburu ndị ugbu a. Ogbugbu ahụ kemgbe 1970 ka na-agakwara iru ruo ugbu a. Anyị na-ekwu nke egburu n'Ọnịcha, anyị na-ekwu nke egburu n'Enugu, anyị na-ekwu nke egburu n'Aba, anyị na-ekwu nke egburu na Kanu, anyị na-ekwu nke egburu na Kaduna, anyị na-ekwu nke egburu na Benue, ka na-egbukwaruo taa. Anyị nwabụ ụmụ Biafra, IPOB, take it upon ourselves to say enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Nigeria is an altar of slaughter. There is nothing like country called Nigeria. Nigeria never exists. Oduduwa is older than Nigeria. Biafrans are older than Nigeria. Britain should leave us alone. Let us live the way we are before they came. That is what we want. We are tired of the zoo called Nigeria. Our parents are being killed. Our sisters are being raped. For what? For just no cause.
Sir, to save our time, sir, I understand that the viewers at home and everywhere in the world, they understand your plight. You understand your submission. And please, the last question, sir. What advice do you have for, I will still maintain, the Nigerians in diaspora? One, the IPOB in diaspora and the Oduduwans in diaspora. What advice do you have for them pertaining to the rally and the idea of self-determination?
Thank you very much. For people, especially when they start from Biafrans, that is the Biafrans, which I'm a Biafran. For Biafrans in diaspora, I have one advice for them. If you make money in France, in Germany, in America, where are you taking the money to? When the Fulani have killed your mother and killed your people and take over your home, which means you don't have hope. For you to be able to go back home where you come from, come out now and fight so that we can be able to secure our people back. For the Oduduwa people, the same advice. If you think that they have never killed your mother, that they never killed your father, that it doesn't concern you, wait and see. Fulani henchman is like a parasite. Nigerian government is completely complicit with the killing going on in Nigeria. So if you think that it never affects you, wait, they are coming for you. But it's better we come out with one accord to let the international community know that we are fed up and tired with the zoo called Nigeria. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Tous les zoos qui cachaient la vérité, montez le noir. Comme vous voulez vivre en noir, vous vivez en noir. Comme vous voulez vivre en cachette, vous vivrez en cachette. Crois-moi, ça fait 1 heure. On est debout 12 heures. On regarde le mec dans la fenêtre. Il n'a pas la joie. Il n'a jamais été tranquille. Parce qu'on est là, il est là-bas. Ça, c'est montré qu'il n'est jamais heureux. Je suis désolée pour vous. Moi, j'ai dit, tous les sangs, tous les enfants, toutes les femmes, des pères, des mères, vous avez assassiné. Vous allez payer un jour. Vous allez payer un jour. Vous allez payer un jour. Si vous n'avez pas payé le soir, vous payerez le matin. Si vous ne payez pas le matin, vous payez le journée. Là, c'est une chose que je vais donner pour vous les assassins. Jésus, il vient cacher. Pense à vous. Votre gouvernement, il ne faut pas le parler. Il ne faut pas accepter. Il est toujours caché dans la masse. Bouhali est mort. Il faut accepter que Bouhali est mort. Bouhali est mort. Accepte que Bouhali est mort. Oh non, je demandais, est-ce que Bouhali existe encore? Est-ce que Bouhali existe encore? Il est où Bouhali? C'est qui Bouhali? Hey! Vous les sous! Va chercher Bouhali! Il existe plus! Doubli, on ne le connaissait pas! Est-ce que vous connaissez Doubli? Non! Est-ce que vous connaissez? Non! C'est la honte! C'est la honte! C'est la honte! Honte à vous! Honte! Vous êtes là pour rien! Vous ne pouvez pas rien faire pour nous!
All hail Biafra! All hail Biafra! All hail Biafra! Now you want to why you? No Nigerian embassy. You want to why you? Speak French, please. I don't understand this.
Jamais.
Today. So we are about to finish. We need to take pictures as one family, then we proceed the next step.
IPOB!